Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can update your Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, as you'll see, I'm currently on the PC version, and for this version, there really isn't anything to mention, simply because this is a web browser purely application. You do not have any standalone applications except for maybe Google Earth for the PC. However, for Maps specifically, it is only tied to the browser and it is updated constantly, and there is no need to update it yourself. Now, if you're using Google Maps, not sure if there is any built-in update system or update detection system where you can automatically just update. However, if you want to update Google Maps, just uninstall it from your PC, download the latest version, and then you can use Google Earth much more updated, or just an updated version. Now, on the mobile phone version of Google Maps, again, I'm not sure if there is any built-in update detection system. If you have your App Store or Google Play Store set to automatically update apps, then it will automatically update most of the time, with maybe a possibility of you needing to restart your device so that the update launches correctly, and you will need to force close the or force stop the application for the update to apply. But even if you don't have auto update, all you need to do is literally just go over into your settings or into your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and you'll see an update button next to the app once you search it in those stores. And once you update them through that, you can just restart Google Maps or the device, and the update will be fully applied. And other than that, there really isn't anything else to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.